Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about features of Erb's paralysis and Klumpke's paralysis. Before going to the topic, please do subscribe to my channel. Watch this video. If you like my explanation, please subscribe. Coming to the topic, features of Erb's paralysis and Klumpke's paralysis. And the nerve roots involved in Erb paralysis C5 and C6. And the nerve roots involved in Klumpke's paralysis C8 and T1. And the muscles paralyzed in Erb paralysis are deltoid, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, biceps brachii, brachialis, coracoradialis, supinator, extensor carpi radialis longus. And the nerves paralyzed in Klumpke's paralysis, all intrinsic muscles of hand. Next, the position of the upper limb or hand in Erb's paralysis. The position of upper limb in Erb's paralysis and the position of upper limb in Erb's paralysis is policeman's stiff hand, porter's stiff hand and waiter's stiff position. Okay, this is in Erb's paralysis. When it comes to the Klumpke's paralysis, claw hand. And the sensory loss in Erb paralysis along the outer aspect of the arm or along the lateral aspect of the arm. This is in Erb paralysis. When it comes to the Klumpke's paralysis, sensitive loss along the medial border of the forearm and the hand. Sensitive loss in Klumpke's paralysis along the medial border of the forearm and hand. And the autonomic signs in Erb paralysis absent. Autonomic signs in Erb paralysis absent. And the autonomic signs in Klumpke's paralysis present, that is Horner syndrome. Autonomic signs that present in Klumpke's paralysis, that is Horner syndrome. See these figures. This figure shows the Erb paralysis. Why the Erb paralysis causes? Injury of the upper brachial flexus. Injury of the upper brachial flexus leads to the Erb paralysis. An excessive increase in angle between the head and the shoulder. If you observe here, this person falls on the shoulder and this makes the increase in angle between the head and the shoulder. Okay, this is pushed like this. Normally it is like this. But when he falls on the shoulder, it makes the excessive angle between the head and the shoulder. Okay, and this causes the injury of the upper brachial plexus and causes the Erb paralysis. See this figure? In this figure, here traction of arm and the traction of arm, extension of the neck causes the injury to the upper brachial flexus, also causes the Erb paralysis. This type of hand you observe in the Erb paralysis, we call this policeman stiff hand, porter's stiff hand or waiter's stiff hand. Okay, this type of upper limb position you observe in Erb paralysis. Okay, in Erb paralysis we call this position as policeman stiff hand, porter's stiff hand and the waiter's stiff hand. Okay, see this figure, and these positions cause the, if you observe here, and this position cause the injury of the lower brachial flexus. Okay guys, this type of positions cause the injury to the lower brachial flexus, which leads to the Klumpke's paralysis. which leads to the Klumpke's paralysis. Injury to the lower brachial plexus causes during the excessive increase in angle between the trunk and the upper limb. Okay, excessive increase in angle between the trunk and the upper limb. If you observe here, the angle is increased between the trunk and the upper limb causes the injury to the lower brachial plexus and leads to the Klumpke's paralysis. And the first example is hanging. Okay, hanging with the support of one hand leads to the injury of the lower brachial plexus and causes Klumpke's. Maybe hang on a tree or with the rod help. Okay, and the second example is pulling of the hand. Pulling of the hand during the delivery also causes the increase in angle between the trunk and the upper limb. This also causes the injury to the lower brachial plexus and causes the Klumpke's paralysis. This is about the features of air paralysis and Klumpke's paralysis. I think it is clear to you. Reply me on comment section, guys. Is it useful to you or not? If you like my explanation, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.